Hey folks, welcome to InTheMoneyStocks.com's live trading action video. My name is Gareth Soloway, Chief Market Strategist here. Today's date is Thursday, September 17th, 2015. Well folks, we just got the announcement from the FOMC, no rate hike. Markets initially popped, but they are coming back in and we're seeing a little bit of a drop here. I actually think the markets are going to see a sell-off here. Not a big sell-off, but nonetheless, I think you could go down maybe to this area here, the 199.50 level, and retest it. In fact, we're heading there right now. Why? Well, basically, you had a sharp rally higher going into the announcement. So the market kind of was already anticipating a no rate hike announcement, and that's what it got. So now you're seeing some people saying, okay, well, let's take some profits. And that's exactly what's happening. So the initial pop was because people said to themselves, the immediate reaction was no rate hike. Then the secondary pullback here, and now we're jockeying around, is because people are saying, okay, well, we kind of knew that already, and the market's rallied into that announcement. So let's see where this market goes, but bottom line is, it is a wild move here. Notice the volume. The volume was dead all day. Look at the height of the volume here on this candle, and this is a wild move. The other stock I want to point out to you, I posted it on Twitter earlier today. Take a look at U.S. Steel. U.S. Steel's banging on a resistance level here. There's a gap fill right here. Look at this. Boom, boom, and boom. It's trying to break out, and it hasn't yet. If U.S. Steel breaks out and closes today above this level, I would expect sharp upside going forward. Target would be about 1480, so you have a long way to go. A nice rally up, and again, this is your general resistance level right here, 1480. That would be your next spot. If it gets through that, you actually have a move into the 15s, which I think is very plausible as well. So again, watch this level on U.S. Steel. This is a huge level. Why is it a huge level? Because technically this was a bearish pattern, and it looks like this has basically failed, but it hasn't officially failed. You need to get above this level to really fail that bearish pattern. We know that if bearish patterns fail, guess what? The chart goes in the opposite direction sharply, which would be to the upside. So watch that extremely closely, okay? A couple other charts I'm watching closely. Twitter. Twitter is one of my favorites out there right now. Take a look at the daily chart, guys. A beautiful bullish consolidation pattern on top of the 20 moving average. I don't necessarily think it'll move this week, but I think maybe next week it's in order to have a move. U.S. Steel starting to pop up here a little bit, guys. Keep a close eye on this. Look at U.S. Steel nearing the highs of the day. It hasn't broken yet, though, but it's right up there. Just hit that line again. This is a humongous level. Let's take a look at the spiders again. Spiders again, my prognosis should be for kind of a small pullback on the markets. Max downside for me would somewhere be around this 199.50 level, which was the former breakout level. And you can see it right here. This trend line right here. So if we're going to get downside, it probably sees support right at that level. And you're seeing a little bit of that selling. And again, think about the logical nature of this. There's a lot of amateur investors out there that would say to me, oh, well, they didn't raise interest rates. Why isn't the market rallying? Well, the answer is very simple. Because you already had a sharp move up going into that on market expectations that they weren't going to raise. So now you have a little bit of those people selling into it, saying, okay, you know, they did exactly what we said, sell, 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 let's take some profits. Not that they think the market's going to drop tremendously. I do think 2-3 weeks from now it does. But in the short term, it's more just a, okay, they did what we thought, now we take some profits on this trade. That's exactly what it is, folks. It's very simple to understand this. And notice the markets, again, coming in beautifully. Day trade will be an opportunity right here, guys. 199.35 for me would be a day trade. Look at this fall. Beautiful. All right, let's see if we can get this day trade here. Oh, it's coming right down here, guys. Just about there. Just about there. There it is. There it is. There it is. Boom. Just got it. Just got it. 199.35. Already in the money. 15, 20 cents, 30 cents. I'm out. Woo. Look at that pop. Boom. That is the way to do it, folks. I did 5,000 shares, an easy 1,500 bucks. Just like that. Literally seconds. And look at that pullback, the low right there. My level was 199.35. I got filled right there at 199.35. 5,000 shares. And look at that snapback. And again, I actually could have gotten 40 cents or 50 cents out of it. But you know what? 30 cents on 5,000? No brainer right there. No freaking brainer. And this is what we do, folks. We read the charts. All right, it's not a coincidence that I knew pretty much the exact low to the penny of the market on that pullback. This is PPT methodology, proprietary methodology, price, pattern, and time. That's what PPT stands for. And if you know it, you can trade the markets and make 1,500 bucks that easily. That freaking easily. And look at the bounce back up, guys, right off of that level. That's awesome. By the way, look at U.S. Steel, folks. Check this out. Pulling back, so it's still having trouble breaking through that level. This is the level on U.S. Steel. A close at the end of the day above this level. And this stock will be on a breakout to new highs. Well, not new highs, but at least to this $14.80 to $15 level as first target. And then again, I think you're going to, I would actually think that the next target would be about $15.80, $15.85. So good stuff, guys. All right, I got to get going. Awesome that I could do a live trade while you guys were watching here on this video. And again, it's going to be a wild ride, guys. Take care, enjoy, hold on. Take care, guys. Come join us here at InTheMoneyStocks.com.